about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cariñosa Days, and today's video I'm going to show you how I took my vanity looking from this to this. If you want to know how I did this for just $5, then just keep on watching. So here I'm just showing you guys that my vanity, literally, it's seen better days. It had so many makeup stains on it and spills, and I didn't like this marble. I wanted something more shinier. So I'm just going to be taking this completely off, and this is how it looked like before I even placed any contact paper or adhesive paper. As you can see, it does not leave anything behind. That's what I loved about this adhesive paper, that I could literally put it on something, and if I didn't like it, I'd just take it off and it'll just look like before. So here I'm just going to take the new adhesive laminate shelf liner, and you can find this at your local Walmart, or you can also find it online. So what ended up happening here was that the adhesive from the old contact paper that I had on it was still on the vanity, and when I placed it on top, it actually like stuck pretty well. So I didn't peel off this new adhesive, I just kept it on and just cut off the excess. Now I'm just gonna spread it and pretty much just place it over the top of my vanity and see where I'm going to cut off the excess. Here I'm just making sure that the detail will show through the adhesive paper. This is the final look, you guys. I am so in love with my renovated, upgraded vanity, whatever you want to call it. I just love it. This is the shiny type of marble that I was looking for, and I finally got it. I don't know if I should put some marble like right there on the drawers, but I'm still debating about it. But so far, this is how I'm going to keep it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. And I really hope that this video helped you guys out. And honestly, for $5, you cannot beat that, to have your vanity or your nightstand or even your drawers, whatever it is that you'd like to marbleize. Literally for $5, it is an amazing deal. So real quick, this is my before. I also marbleized my laptop. I went crazy marble when I got my first the first one, and I'm just showing you guys, like, seriously, it leaves nothing behind. So this is my before and this is my after. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye.